Pozdrav ljudi, Frap s tim opet, igramo Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, da ovog puta sam sam,
charge on the door. Area is secure. Alright, I got the launch keys. Overlord, this is MW3-Serbian. I send checkpoint Neptune, over.
Roger 01, copy Neptune.
I have the missile key, and I'm accessing the launch codes now.
Grid coordinates follow. Tango, Whiskey, 05668.
Coordinates confirmed. Firing on Russian fleet in 30 seconds. Frost, get on the console. Frost, over here. 3, 2, 1, turn. Overlord, missiles armed and launching.
Roger, SEAL team is in position for exfil.
Go, go! Punch it! This is launching! Keep up with that Zodiac!
Ako ne znate šta je vrsta bolest, to je vam je kad niste dođemo to ga prsti.
Missiles coming in! Keep on going, Frost! Look out! Shoot the mines! There she is! Go! Go!
MW3-Serbian, we are sequence.
Šta? Šta se desilo?
Missile strikes confirmed on multiple Russian hard targets in your AO. All primary threats neutralized. Good work, team. That's one for the books.
Easy day, Overlord. Sandman out.
Evo ga. Završili smo, mislim bar da smo završili ovu misiju.
All friendly
Da,
call
ja sam
signs. We are
završili
no
ovu
longer
misiju,
on
sad
the
kreće
defensive.
druga,
I
ali...
repeat, consolidate and counterattack.
Da, kreće druga misija. Tako da, to je to, znači, nećemo sad da igramo ovu.
Beyond the jagged edges of war, there were still Russians who rejected Makarov's lunacy. Men willing to stand against the tide.
Specijalni neki video na
Price, we've got
Instagramu,
vital signs,
nešto
but they're
tako.
weak. Soap won't last without proper attention. He's a hard bastard. Trust me, he'll make it.
We're
picking up inbound signatures.
We've got company. It's Makarov. He's tying up loose ends. Who's your best man? Yuri.
Ex-Spetsnaz.
to je to.
Only man I know who hates Makarov more than you.